Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Hi friends, once again welcome back to Electropixels. Today in this video we are going to repair this 32-inch Impex LED TV with backlight fault. See friends, while checking with the LED backlight checker here we can notice that only one LED backlight strip is working. So we need to replace the entire backlights with new one. Instead of replacing the faulty backlight to avoid future repetition in same type of complaints. So here purchased two new LED backlight strips. Now the work is done, so let's put the panel diffuser sheets, panel frame, display panel, everything back to the TV. See friends, now work is done. So let's connect all sockets, LVDS cables, etc. See friends, now the TV is turned on, now the picture comes and the TV is started working back to normal. So that's it, hope you like this video. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.